change any oil and gearbox oil, it changed by bumping.
Drop the floor. So from here off. Yeah. Is there one on the other side as well?
Release the bottle.
Yeah, so just that one. So I usually...
No, not by bumping by machine.
No.
No.
Pull the floor off and drain it that way. I usually run the car for 30 seconds just to scavenge all the oil out and then you can dump it straight from there. And then I let it drain for a bit and then clean it up and lock tight 518 on the bolt to seal.
What's this?
Catch can. So that's engine breathed oil.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's like if the oil too much.
Yeah.
The feel.
So what we've got is a vacuum pump, and I've also done like zip ties on this, and to know how much. So like 250 mil, 500 mil, 750 mil. So you know by looking at it how much it's breathed out.
But how to know how much oil is inside of this?
So
how to know the label?
next time you pull the floor off, because that should have a drain plug at the bottom of it as well.
Yeah.
Drain it completely, and then I pour 250 ml of water in. Doesn't matter what it is.
Yeah.
Put a line, another 250 ml, and then drain it.
What is the maximum label?
I'm not sure, because yeah, again, this is a bell housing and setup we haven't seen. So this is the same as what's in the V8 engine, but obviously that's got a different gearbox and engine. So it's the turbo cars have a catch can here, and in the turbo cars, that there is the oil tank. So we don't have that cut out in a lot of our cars because that's to fit the V8.
For that kind of thing.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, for when you're on track, I use a vacuum pump, and you just pull that out and slide the vacuum in there and suck out the oil in there. Which you can also just come from the top here as well. Then just, yeah. Because that's in, that's out.
That's it for today's video. If you're interested in professional maintenance and modification for Wolf Racing cars, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts with us. See you in the next video.